Scan now. Meet Sovi, your new AI study buddy. Java random numbers are tricky, but we can solve this code segment in 3 quick steps. Let's find the range for B. First, remember that the Math.random method always returns a double value starting from 0 up to, but never actually reaching 1. This range is the foundation for our entire calculation. Next, we multiply that decimal by A. This scales our range from 0 to A, but it still excludes A itself. Casting this result to an integer then truncates all decimal parts. Finally, adding the initial value of A shifts our range to start at A and end at 2A minus 1. Option E is correct. Well done! Scan the code. You can learn better with Sovi. Avoid a rush and watch signs. Trust given values and check steps carefully.